Hey, what's up, you guys? We're getting right into it. This is a voiceover, little makeup voiceover I'm doing for Brenda. I'm Rob. Um, Looks like she's starting off with the astringent. Got to clean up the face, closing pores, get the dirt off, all that good stuff. Yeah, there she goes. Gotta get under the nose, eyelids. At this point, she should have just stuck her head in the sink. What's next? Moisturizer. Oh yeah, you gotta moisturize the skin. Get it right before you start drawing on it, you know? Yeah. Let it dry. The under eyes, just for the bags under the eyes, I think. You know, tighten up the skin under the eyes, you know? If you're not looking tired, couldn't see what that was. We'll find out. Looks like more lotion. Glow, whatever. Gotta get that glow, I guess. Where's the brushes? I guess she doesn't believe in brushes. This is all finger painting. Hairspray. Oh, setting spray. That's what it was. Now right here with a little foundation. Man, I needed to pause that. Oh well. She got a little on her hands. Gotta wipe it off. And then get right back into it. Boom. Squeeze away. There you go. Oh, now here's the sponge. Gotta tap, tap, tap away. Tap in. Yeah. Very gentle. As if the skin's afraid of the sponge. Just tap in. Make sure everything's smeared evenly. It's foundation, I believe. Get them ears. That's that shadow for them eyelids. Or eyebrows, I mean. Eyebrow filler, to be exact. Yeah, darken them up. Oh. Whoa. I don't know what the hell that is. Yeah, I'm lost. Oh, that's to bring out the eyebrows. Lighten it up. It's art, you know? Gotta lighten up around the dark eyebrow to make them stand out. Oh, there's a sponge. Okay. This is getting a little complicated. Oh, this is for the eyelashes. Oh, damn it. It's for the eyebrows. You gotta comb them. Gotta comb them. With a little, it looks like a little pomade on the brush to get that that style, you know? So dip it in a little eyebrow pomade for that look. Oh, there's the shadow. Eyeshadow for the eyelids. Oh yeah, she's going for that smoky look. I love that smoky look. Yeah, make sure you get it blended even. Tap it and rub. Tap and rub. And don't forget the other eye. A lot of girls forget the other eye. If you stay long enough at a nightclub and the lights are on, that's when you see it most. So get that other eye. Make sure it matches the other side. And just work it in. Work it in. There you go. From the eyebrow to the eyelash. Just work it in. Rub away. Oh, down the nose. Gotta bring out that shadow. What the hell was she showing us? Oh, eyeliner. Gotta get them wings. Gotta get them wings on that eye. Yes. And now we're gonna just dabble a little highlighter underneath the eye. Hide them dark circles. And don't be shy, apply more. The nose and hit that forehead. Earlobes. And now, grab your lipstick and go crazy. Yes. Go crazy. Looking like she's gonna be in the Disney parade. Yeah, I don't know what the hell she's doing. Looks like she's preparing for battle. Just apply more on the cheekbones. grab your musket. I don't know. Oh, now she's gonna blend everything in. So grab that sponge and just start tapping away. Blend everything nice and even. Hit all the brown, and then that lighter paint, you hit that last. Just blend it all around the face, just to get that nice tanning. And then you hit that lighter paint, blend that in. Down the nose, bring out that nose. The cheekbones, that jawline, just blend it in. Blend it in with the other paint. Now once all that's blended, you give a little smile to the camera. Just keep going. So now we're gonna hit the middle, the inner eye and the outer eyebrow. Just to make all that stand out. Hit them eyelashes, make them look longer than what they really are and thicker. Oh, then if you want, put on some fake eyelashes, glue them on with a little tweezer, and you're set. Oh, and then back to blending your face in with the sponge. What is she grabbing? Oh, now here comes a brush for the finishing blend. Smile and zoom out. There she goes. Now she's really blending everything in. Now make sure you blend your face in with your neck so it doesn't look weird. Yeah. Boom. Almost finished, girls. Now we're gonna grab the bronzer and just start going. Hit them upper cheekbones, make them stand up. Yeah, and just dab. Then grab a flat brush and brush away. And make your lips stand out. Grab a lip liner and carefully outline your lips. Carefully. Yeah, hopefully she fills those in. There you go. Then you grab your favorite lipstick and fill it in. It's like coloring. There she goes. She wasn't happy with it. Put as much as you need. Back to the brush. She must have seen something that she didn't like. Zoom out. Oh, we're doing hair today. Okay. We must be going to Target. Throw a little hairspray. And shake. And comb it out. Yeah, when doing your makeup, it's always good to smile at yourself in the mirror. Give yourself confidence. Put on some satin spray so that makeup sets and stays. And play with your hair. Enjoy it. Straighten it. Flip your hair out. Whatever you guys like. Now for the specific look, you want to bring down the straightener and flip it out. Flip out your hair like that. You want to do it in parts. And there you go. Do it in parts. Take some time. But the finishing look, it's worth it. Now take that brush. Just cut out. And tease your hair. Get that brush and tease your hair. There it is. For that, what do you call it? Volume. Some more hairspray. That should be the look right there. Make sure everything's right, everything's blended, everything's in place. Here we go. I believe this is lip gloss. Gotta make them lips shine. Apply to the bottom lip and then mash together. And now you're good. That's the look, everybody. Snap away. Boom. And that's all, folks. Thank you guys for watching another one of Brenda's makeup tutorials. Peace.